Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurvedic medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about whether we should have food first or water first, because many times people ask, like you have recommended in your videos, like you should not take water half hour after having food. Only after half hour of having food you can drink water. It is Ayurveda recommendation, but sometimes it happens like before food we are super thirsty, and as you have said, like if you are drinking big amount of water before food also, that also lower down your digestive fire. So what is the solution? Because sometimes we are so thirsty that we can't feel like eating food because of thirst, but we also don't want to go against Ayurveda recommendations because we want our digestive fire to be healthy. So what is the solution for it? So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it. As you know, in Ayurveda it's been recommended that if you want that your digestive fire should remain balanced, you should have water half hour after having food. Now the question comes, if we are thirsty or if we feel like drinking water immediately before starting food, how much water we can drink and what kind of water you should drink. If you are super thirsty, like thirsty like ages, like so much thirsty if you are, then you can drink one full glass of water, but then wait for food for next half hour and then start having food, or 40 minutes you wait, and this way you can satiate your thirst first and then you can have food. If you are not so much thirsty but you just want to something, 1 or 2 sips of water if you want, then you can have lukewarm water before having food. This kind of food will satiate your thirst, and after this kind of 2 sips of water you can start having food. But if you are very thirsty, then and 2 glasses of water, 2-3 glasses of water you are drinking, and immediately after drinking this water you start eating food, and if you are already have low digestive fire or disturbed digestive fire or imbalanced digestive fire, then it will impact your digestion. If you have very strong digestive fire, like doesn't matter what happens, like very good health, very good digestive fire, then it doesn't matter whether you are drinking full glass of water and after that you are having food, then it may be possible that it will not impact that much, because good digestive fire means you are blessed with very good health. But for those people who have digestion issues, who have bloating issues, who have some this and that issues related to stomach, sometimes colitis, sometimes bloating, sometimes stomach pain. So for these kind of people it is very important that you pay attention how to drink. There are simple tricks. It's not like something very tricky, or this we need to do or this we not need to do. It's a simple rule. If you're super thirsty for some reasons, if you have came from outside from somewhere, drinking water, 2 glasses of water you have taken, and then food timings are also coming, then wait for 40 minutes and then start having your food. If you're very good digestive fire, then little bit difference eventually, if you make it a practice daily, definitely it will lower down your digestive fire. Once or twice you can do, like if you have good digestive fire. But if you have very low digestive fire, then, and if you are not very thirsty also and very low digestive fire, but you want to start your meals with the 2 or 3 sips of water, then this kind of water you can start with lukewarm water. So once you sip lukewarm water, then it will just make your throat wet, and then you can start having your food. Now next question comes, whether in between food can I have water? If you want to have water in between of food and you are also a patient of low digestive fire, weak digestion issues if you have, but you feel thirsty while having food and you feel like something to engulf food, so best thing is you make the vegetable liquid, make the vegetable more of a liquid side. It can be some lentil or it can be some vegetable with more of a liquid soup in it, more curry, more soup in it. So this way if you are taking vegetable, then you will not feel this longing for water, longing for thirst. But otherwise, if you want to drink water anyway, like not make it daily practice, but you have to drink it, then you can have warm water, like lukewarm water, little higher temperature than the lukewarm water, the temperature of tea or something. This kind of water you can take in between meals, so that you will if your food is very dry, so that it will be easy for you to engulf such kind of food. Regarding water, I already have created many videos, like in which I am telling various properties of water, when to drink it, how to drink it, morning water, evening water, sipping water, this and that, water toxicity, many kind of things. So, you can go through my channel, and if you want to know more about the water videos, you can watch those videos. So, here I am taking only this question, like in between food how to take water, because today's topic is just like that. Now the question comes, if after finishing food I feel little bit thirsty, not very thirsty, but little bit thirsty, how much water I can take? So, same rule is applied to that thing also. You can have water after having food, but in sips, 2-3 sips of water you can have, and this water should be lukewarm water, not very cold water, and do not take very big glass of water, because if you are already a patient of weak digestion and if you are drinking big glass of water, it will cause bloating, it will cause digestion issues, it will cause like little bit of discomfort in the stomach. But after half hour of taking food, if you take big glass of water or 40 minutes, then it will help you to digest the food well. And though it is a very healthy practice to drink water half hour after finishing food, so this way if you are drinking water, it is more healthy. But better if you have weak digestive fire, try to make vegetables or lentils in such a way that it contains more of a watery content, so that you need not to take water from outside. Best practice is this, but if for some reason your vegetable is little dry, or your food is sometimes, because every time the way of cooking vegetable can't be very containing liquid. So, in that cases you can take water, but in sips that should be lukewarm water, or you can take some herbal water, herbal tea, any kind of herbal tea you can make. And this herbal tea, you understand that decoction, like in which you are, like let us suppose coriander tea you are taking along with that, or ginger tea you are taking along with having food, very dry food you are taking. After food also you can take this ginger tea, better give a gap of 10-20 minutes and then take, and that is also helpful in aiding the digestion. Ginger tea, you know how to make ginger tea, little bit of piece of ginger, boil it, once the water will become less, like 1/4 when it stays, then it becomes half, then you can take it as a ginger tea. Here I am not talking about decoctions, decoctions are with the medicinal purpose, just boiling ginger in some water and then taking it. So, this kind of water also you can take, not more than half cup. So, half cup is more than enough with food. So, this way also you can satiate your thirst. Now, the question comes, if you are very high pitta body type, like a lot of heat in your system. So, in these people, very hot water along with food is not recommended, lukewarm water is recommended. And while Ayurveda way of eating, it is not recommended that you eat food along with ice cream. So, first you finish your food, everything, fruits, food, everything, and then after 40 minutes you can have some ice cream or something if you want. Ice cream is not Ayurvedic concept though, because it is very hot in potency according to Ayurveda. About ice cream also I have created videos. So, if you want to know Ayurveda perspective of it, so you can know about it. So, that is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So, with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.